Hello, welcome to AB's Garage. Today we've got something a little bit different for you. It's just going to be a little informational video on the oil filter and drain plug location for the engine oil on a 2020 Gen 3 Coyote. It's going to be easier to find these items with the vehicle up in the air. First thing is the oil filter. It's on the driver's side of the engine. You can have access to it through the next to the steering shaft or steering rack, and then you drop down this panel to allow the oil to drain without making a mess. It's held on by one 7mm bolt, and then the drain plug is a plastic drain plug. Got the oil draining right now. What it's gonna look, it's gonna be yellow, and it may have a 3/8 drive end on it. This one just has the tab on it that you can grab with your fingers or a tool. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this helpful. Please subscribe to the channel for more content. We'll see you on the next one.